Hello viewers, this is Akansha and I welcome you all in the live session of reasoning. Today we will discuss some particular situations of inequality. Some fundamental situations. I am not going to deal with the just basic one, but I will discuss with you with some situations in which most of us get confused whether this conclusion is correct or the given conclusion is wrong. So let's move on. So here I am providing you a statement. As we all know that the format of inequality is in the form of a statement and conclusion. Okay, so I am providing you a statement and the statement says A is greater or equal to B and B is greater or equal to C. Further, C is greater or equal to D. This is the statement given to me. Now, if the conclusion asks me, conclusion says A is greater than D. What about this conclusion? Is this conclusion correct or the given conclusion is wrong? See, right now, what is the exact opinion or what is the exact thought which you are getting between A and D? What are you drawing the conclusion between A and D? The conclusion which you are drawing between A and D is greater equal, again greater equal, and then again greater equal. Means the relation between A and D is this, that A is greater or equal to D. Let's take a different example. If I say A is greater or equal to B, this is my statement and it says A is greater or equal to B. Further, conclusions ask me A is greater than B. Are you in favor of this conclusion? Is this conclusion correct? No. This is an incomplete information. Why? Because my statement is saying what is the exact pronunciation for this line. The exact pronunciation in the form of sentence is this: A is either greater or equal to B. Means either or. It is either greater or equal to B. My statement is confused. My statement is having two opinions in it. It is saying that 50% there is chances of greater also, and then again 50% chances of equal also. And now my conclusion is saying, that it is 100% correct, that A is greater than B. Are we in favor of this conclusion? What will be our answer? Our answer will be no. This is an incomplete information. So being incomplete, the given conclusion is wrong. Further, if I am getting one more conclusion and it is saying A is equal to B, now I am not having the first one. I am just having the second one and it is saying A is equal to B. Again the same thing. It is also incomplete information, and being an incomplete information, the given conclusion is also wrong. But if I am getting both the conclusions, at a time that A is greater to B and second one is saying A is equal to B, then what will be our answer? Our answer will be either first or second follows. Either first conclusion is correct or second is correct. Same thing is happening here also. If you are saying that A is greater than D, then again, it is an incomplete information. Being incomplete information, the given conclusion is wrong. If we are getting A is equal to D, then being incomplete information, this given conclusion is also wrong. But if someone asks us A is greater or equal to D, then the given conclusion is correct. I hope you understand this much. Means if from A to D you are having a continuous two symbol, then we can't be in favor of one symbol. अगर हमें A से D के बीच में लगातार दो सिंबल मिल रहे हैं तो हम एक सिंबल के फेवर में नहीं बनेंगे. लेकिन अगर ये डबल का सीक्वेंस बीच में कहीं पर भी ब्रेक कर गया, if this sequence of double gets break in between, whether it is one or twice or thrice, doesn't matter. But if this sequence of double gets break in between, see now, I am having a unanimous conclusion. A is greater to D. My conclusion is static. My statement will change on. Right now my statement is this much only and I am saying A is greater than D. Right now, what about this conclusion? This conclusion is wrong. But if right now I am asking about this conclusion, yes, the given conclusion is correct because we are not having a continuous chain between A and D. When the chain gets break and the symbol which is continuous, then we are for sure confident for that symbol. Okay, Now again, if I am saying about this one, this is also wrong. Sorry, if I am asking about in this situation, this conclusion, then this is correct. Right now, this is also correct. Now, it is correct. Right now also, it is correct. But right now the given conclusion is wrong, because now I have to see somewhat like this. I hope this much is clear to you. So let's do experiment with these statements and with these conclusions. So let's move on with some more examples. But right now, I specifically want to discuss with you some either or situations. The various either or situations which varies in inequality. Let's move on to our statement. I am giving you a statement, and further I will provide you various conclusions and you have to decide it. So my statement says A is greater or equal to B. Further, B is greater or equal to C. C is smaller than D. D is smaller or equal to E. E is greater than F. Greater or equal to G. Smaller than H. Smaller or equal to I. Smaller or equal to greater or equal to J. Greater than K and equal to L. I hope my statement is not very long. It is quite short one, है ना? You are also in favor कि statement बहुत lengthy तो नहीं है. I hope it is comfortable one. हालांकि आपको एग्जाम में इतना लेंदी स्टेटमेंट नहीं मिलने वाला है. I am just talking about the adverse situations. Okay? So let's move on to some conclusions. My first conclusion, now I want your attention. I am asking you, my first conclusion is saying A is greater than C. And the second conclusion is saying A is equal to C. What is your opinion regarding these conclusions? What is your answer? So, what is your answer for this conclusion? I hope that you all are having the answer that it is the either or situation, because the conclusion, what is the exact opinion between A and C? The exact opinion between A and C is this, that A is greater or equal to C. But right now, they are not giving you the greater or equal information together, but they have bifurcated it. When the conclusion has bifurcated it, then we have another option, and that is either or. So our answer in this situation will be either first or second follows. But at the same time, if you are getting only first one, then the first one will be wrong. If you are getting only second one, then the second conclusion is also wrong. Okay, this much is clear. So let's move on to some more examples. My statement is going to be the same. I am just going to change the conclusions. So let's move on to the another set of conclusion. My first conclusion says B is greater than E, and second one says B is smaller or equal to E. So what is your answer for this conclusion? So I hope you have drawn an answer for yourself. So what are you in favor of? What will be your answer? Only first follows, only second follows, both follows, neither follows, and the last one says either first or second follows. And which answer are you in favor of? See, one thing I want to ask you, what is the exact relation between B and E? Because in my conclusion, I am getting two elements, that is B and E. So what is the exact relation between B and E? The exact relation, actually, we don't know the exact relation between B and E, just because we are having a opposite symbols. When the symbols are opposite between two elements, then we can't be confident on any one or two symbol. We can't be confident on. So now, what is the relation between B and E? Actually, we don't know exact relation between B and E, but we don't know the exact relation between B and E. And in our conclusion, on one side we are having B is greater than E, and on next side we are having B is smaller or equal to E. So, what should be your answer? Let's take an example. If I am talking about two brothers, Ram and Shyam, I am talking about their heights. We are having a quite discussion कि राम और श्याम की हाइट्स के बारे में हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. Now, हम डिस्कस तो राम और श्याम की हाइट के बारे में कर रहे हैं, but what is the tragedy? The tragedy is this, actually we are totally unaware about their heights. मतलब हमें उनके हाइट के बारे में exactly कुछ भी पता नहीं है. Now again, हमें उनकी हाइट्स के बारे में exactly कोई comparison पता नहीं है, but then also in such weird circumstances also we are having an option in our mind. What would be an option? या तो राम की हाइट श्याम से ज़्यादा होगी, या तो कम होगी, या तो बराबर होगी. मतलब अगर दो एलिमेंट के बीच में कोई भी रिलेशन नहीं है, if we are not having any relation between two elements, and at the same time in our conclusion all the three set of symbols are provided, then what will we do? We will apply either or between them. Our answer will be either first or second follows. Many of us have answered either or, either or, either or. Yes, very true, correct, because our answer is either or only in this context. Okay? So let's move on. I'm quite glad that many of you have answered correct. I'm happy to see that. Now again I'm explaining the same thing. If we are not having any relation between two elements, but at the same time we are having all the three symbols in the conclusion, then we will apply either or between them. Yeah, right now I'm again getting either or answer, either or, either or, either or. Good, too good. But I'm now going to change my conclusion a little bit. What I'm going to do now? I'm removing one conclusion or one symbol. Right now I am having only two opinions between B and E. One is greater one and another one is smaller. So what will be your answer right now? I have just changed the conclusion little bit. So I need to know what are your answer right now. Okay, some of them are saying only first. Okay, neither. Okay, too good. Some of them are saying neither or. Okay, good. Good means why are you saying neither nor? If I would ask you why it is neither nor, it is neither nor just because one symbol is missing here. Just now I told you we need to have all the three opinion between those two elements. But if we are not having any one symbol is missing there, then what we will apply? We will apply neither nor. Yes, correct. Yes, neither nor, neither nor, neither. Continuously I am getting neither answers. Too good. Now, I hope this much is clear to you. अगर आपको दो एलिमेंट के बीच में कोई भी रिलेशन नहीं दिया हुआ है और आपको कंक्लूजन में तीनों सिंबल दिए जा रहे हैं, तभी आप वहाँ पे आइदर और अप्लाई करेंगे. लेकिन अगर इसमें से एक भी सिंबल मिसिंग हुआ, देन वी विल अप्लाई नीदर आंसर आई एम गेटिंग. ओके फाइन, कूल, इट्स करेक्ट. So again I am going to change my conclusion little bit. I am going to ask you another conclusion, and my conclusion is this. Again, A is, let's not take A, let's take some other example. If I am saying E is greater than G, and in second one I am saying E is smaller or equal to G. I am giving you another set. First one is saying E is greater to G, and the second one is saying E is smaller or equal to G. So, what will be your answer right now? Just think about it and please comment your answer so that I can see what is the opinion in your mind right now going on. Comment it, please. These are the two conclusions. Actually, just see the placement of E and G in the given statement also. E and G. This is E, this is G, and in our conclusion it is saying E is greater than G. Second one is saying E is smaller or equal to G. So what will be your answer? Come on, be quick, fast. Okay, so again I am getting lots of answer. Okay, so Manish is saying either or. Okay, okay Manish, are you in favor of either or? I am quite surprised to see your answer if you are saying either or. Okay, let's move on. Some more of them are saying. Okay, Kalyani is saying it is neither nor. So, okay, okay, some of them are saying it's neither, neither, neither. Okay, Dev is saying either or. Okay. Okay, many of them are in favor of either or right now also. Okay, 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 some of them are answering that it is neither nor. Actually, I want to ask you one thing. What is the exact relation between E and G? What is the exact relation between E and G? Again the same thing. क्या आप यहाँ पे ये बोलेंगे कि आपको E और G के बीच में relation ही पता नहीं है? Will you say something like that you are totally unaware about the relation between E and G? Actually not. We know the relation between E and G. And what is the relation between E and G? The relation between E and G is this, that E is greater than G. Only first, only first, only first follows. Okay, very good, too good. I am getting lots of answer in favor of first conclusion. Too good. Actually, now come to the question, what is the exact relation between E and G? The exact relation between E and G is this, my dear friends, that E is greater than G. Just before I told you, when we have no relation between two elements and at the same time we are having the 3 symbol in the conclusion, then only you will apply either or. But right now we are having a relation between E and G. And the relation between E and G is this, that E is greater than G. This one is definitely correct. So there is no use of applying either or neither, because this conclusion is definitely correct. So right now our answer will be only first conclusion follows. I hope this much is clear to you. So let's move on to some more challenging conclusions in the context of either and neither. Let's move on. I am giving you another set of conclusion. My first conclusion says F is greater or equal to I, and the second one says I is greater than F. Again, I need your answer. First conclusion says F is greater or equal to I, and the second conclusion says I is greater than F. What is your answer? Please comment it so that I can elaborate it. Okay. Okay, someone is saying only first, only first. Okay. Are you in favor of only first? Okay, whatever. Just comment it so that I can elaborate it. F and I. Now see the placing of F and I. F is here and I is here. And my first conclusion is saying F is greater or equal to I. And my second conclusion is saying I is greater than F. Okay. Some of them are saying neither nor. Okay. Okay. Acha, some of them are saying either or. Many of them are saying that they are in favor of neither nor. Okay. Atif is saying it is neither. Okay. Someone is demanding, ma'am, please coded inequality. Wait on. First of all, let us deal with fundamental situations. By fundamental, I mean to say that when to apply either or, when to apply neither or. Just clear this, then we will move on to the coded inequality also. And not only the coded one, we will see such inequality also in which the statement is given in a various parts. Right now our statement is perfectly managed. You don't have to bang your head on arranging the statement. But in your examination hall, sometimes, for example in RBI or NABARD, statements are somewhat like that. You have to bang your head just to draw the statement in a single line. Later on we will deal with such questions also. Okay, so what is your answer? Okay, many of them are favor of, acha, someone is saying, ma'am, use dark marker. I think visibility is low, that's why someone is saying dark marker. Okay, my dear friend, I will look into it further. F is greater or equal to I. Now let's see the answer. What is the relation between F and I? Actually, again the same thing. There is no relation, or you can say we are not aware of the relation between F and I. हमें F और I के बीच में relation के बारे में कुछ भी पता नहीं है. F और I के बीच के relation के बारे में we are totally unaware. And now my first conclusion is saying F is greater or equal to I. And my second conclusion is saying I is greater than F. Now see, you might be thinking that I am pronunciating one greater word two times. Greater, equal and greater. Don't get mesmerized in this only. Okay? Just look into the matter. अगर आप यहाँ पे F के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से पढ़ रहे हैं तो सेकेंड में भी F के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से ही पढ़िएगा. यहाँ पे आपने F के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से पढ़ा. अच्छा, someone is saying neither nor and that also with lots of guns and bullets. अच्छा, अगर आप मुझे गन दिखा के neither nor कहेंगे तो क्या मैं एक्सेप्ट कर लूँगी कि हाँ ये neither nor है? Be logical. अच्छा, they are providing bomb also. Okay, great. You guys are too good. Okay, now come to the question. F is, अगर आप यहाँ पे F के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से पढ़ रहे हैं तो सेकंड में भी आपको F के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से ही पढ़ना पड़ेगा. Now let's read it on from the point of view of F. From the point of view of F, what will I say? F is greater or equal to I. And from here I will say F is not greater. What I will say? F is less than I. So my dear friends, this one is also either or situation. This conclusion is also either or. See, अब होता क्या है, आप लोग एकदम confident हो जाते हैं that A is greater than B. You are not getting just a single information from here, from this line that A is greater than B. You are getting one more information at the same time, and that information is B is less than A. Okay, so let's move on to the another set of example. I'm giving you another third and fourth one, and it is saying E is equal to H, and another one is saying E is not equal to H. Give your answer for this one, third and fourth. Third one is saying E is equal to H, and the fourth one is saying E is not equal to H. Now just see the position of E and H in your given statement. Are the symbol between E and H of opposite direction or they are in the same direction? Just draw the conclusion that what are you in favor of? You are in favor of either or, neither nor, or whatever the answer is coming in your thought. Okay, some of them are saying it's either or, either or. Okay, some of them are sharing lots and lots of diagrams, smileys. Okay, okay, don't send smileys, give your answers, whether it is either or it is neither nor. Okay, it is either or, and some of them are saying none follows, neither, neither, neither. Okay, too many answers are there in the favor of neither nor. Okay. Okay, some of them are saying it is N. Kiran Kumar. He is saying either or. Okay, let's see it. Now just tell me one thing. What is the exact relation between E and H? What is the exact relation? Again the same thing. We have no idea of relation between E and H. Why do we have no idea? Just because the symbol between these two elements are of opposite signs. Means E और H के बीच में जो साइन दिए गए हैं वो opposites हैं. Neither nor, neither nor, neither nor, neither nor, none follows, none, 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 neither, neither. Oh my God, I'm getting lots of answer in the favor of neither one. Is there anyone who is thinking that it is either or? Till now okay, some of them I got that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11. Okay, 11. Till now I just saw 11 of them are saying either or. Okay. And basically the crowd is in favor of neither nor. Okay. So what is the relation between E and H? Actually we don't know the exact relation between E and H, means we are totally unaware about the relation between E and H just because the sign between E and H are of opposite characters. Just because sign are opposite, so we can't draw one conclusion. Okay, means एक चीज तो क्लियर है कि E और H के बीच में हमें रिलेशन का पता नहीं है. नाउ अगेन सेकेंड थिंग, रिलेशन पता ना हो और आपको तीनों सिंबल मिलने चाहिए, देन ओनली यू आर गोइंग टू अप्लाई आइदर और. मीन्स यहाँ पे रिलेशन तो पता नहीं है लेकिन हमें सिंबल क्या तीनों मिल रहे हैं? क्या आपको तीनों सिंबल मिल रहे हैं? यहाँ पे एक तो सिंबल आपको इक्वल का मिला, वन सिंबल यू आर गेटिंग इज ऑफ इक्वल, एंड अनदर वन इज सेइंग E is not equal to H. My dear friends, you are having three icons: smaller, greater, equal, and this one is saying that it is not equal. Not equal means it is in opinion of two symbol. What is that? What is the opinion between E and H? Actually the opinion between E and H is E is either greater or smaller to H. Not equal means this only na. Actually it looks haphazard, so that's why this symbol is being simplified in this way and it is termed as not equal, because this looks somewhat inappropriate. Actually it wants to say that E is not equal to H means E is either greater or smaller to H. When it is either greater or smaller to H means you are getting two symbols from this not equal in itself. Okay, now answers are getting changed. Many of them are in favor of either or, either or, either or. Okay, some of them are answered also. Why not? Because not equal means less or greater. Too good. Not equal means less or greater, and you are getting two opinions from here itself and one opinion from here itself. So again, my dear friends, there is no relation between E and H, and I am getting all the three symbols from conclusion. This one is equal, this is greater, and this is a smaller. So again, I will apply either or in this circumstances also. The correct answer for this situation is either or. I hope this much is clear. Let's move on to some more conclusion. My statement is going to be a static one. I am just going to change the conclusions. So let's see some more of them. So my second conclusion, another set of conclusion is saying, first one is saying H is greater or equal to K, and the second one is saying H is smaller than L. H is greater or equal to K, and further it is saying that H is smaller to L. What is your opinion for these both? And remember one thing, you are having a sign of equal between K and L. Now this is the placement of H and these are the placements of K and L. Just think about them and answer me quickly. What is your opinion? Okay. Acha, someone is remembering Honey Singh. Why are you remembering Honey Singh in the class of reasoning? It's quite funny to see these answers. Okay, either or, neither, 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 either or. Okay. Either or, and that is also 100%. Someone is damn confident about his or her answer. They are saying either. Again, I am getting lots of bomb with the answer of either or. Okay. अगर आप मुझे बॉम्ब के साथ आइदर देंगे तो आई विल बी स्केयर्ड एंड आई विल से यस आइदर और इज करेक्ट, है ना. लेट्स मूव ऑन. व्हाट इज द एग्जैक्ट रिलेशन बिटवीन एच एंड के? जस्ट टेल मी वन थिंग. व्हाट इज द एग्जैक्ट रिलेशन बिटवीन एच एंड के? अगेन द सेम थिंग. वी डोंट नो द एग्जैक्ट रिलेशन बिटवीन एच एंड के. हमें एच और के रिलेशन के बीच में कुछ भी आइडिया नहीं है. सो एज पर रिजल्ट हमें H और L के बीच में भी रिलेशन का कोई आइडिया नहीं है. ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है? ऐसा इसलिए हो रहा है जस्ट बिकॉज वी आर गेटिंग अपोजिट सिंबल्स. द लिंक इज गेटिंग ब्रेक्ड इन बिटवीन. Here it is saying smaller greater, smaller equal, further it is saying greater equal. So the link is getting breaked. Acha, some of them are saying neither nor, either, neither, either. Okay. Let's see that. See now again one thing. I'm suggesting you just a simple and a very simple approach. Whenever you are getting equal in statement, whenever you are getting equal in statement, आपको स्टेटमेंट में जब भी इक्वल दिया जा रहा है, नो नीड टू गेट कंफ्यूज्ड, कंफ्यूज होने की कोई भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. आप वहाँ से इक्वल को एलिमिनेट कर दीजिए. जस्ट एलिमिनेट द इक्वल फ्रॉम द गिवन स्टेटमेंट, जस्ट एलिमिनेट इट. सो व्हाट विल डू आफ्टर एलिमिनेटिंग इट? मैंने इक्वल को तो एलिमिनेट कर दिया, बट एट द सेम टाइम आई विल प्रोवाइड ऑब्लिक. After eliminating equal, I am providing there the icon of oblique. What is the meaning of this oblique one? Oblique का मतलब क्या होता है? आपको याद होगा, पैसे कई बार लिखते हैं A oblique B. चाहे A का यूज करिए चाहे B का यूज करिए, दोनों बातों में कोई भी फर्क नहीं है. ऑब्लिक या स्लैश, जिस भी नाम से आप जानते हो. ओके, whenever you are getting the sign of equal, just eliminate that equal from the statement and provide this icon slash or oblique, whatever you term it, just provide it there. Okay, now oblique का मतलब क्या हुआ कि K और L की वैल्यू के बीच में कोई भी फर्क नहीं है. जब K और L की वैल्यू के बीच में कोई भी फर्क नहीं है, तो कंक्लूजन में चाहे K लिख दिया जाए चाहे L लिख दिया जाए, हमें कोई भी फर्क पड़ने वाला नहीं है. Did you got my point? Just because the value of K and L is equal. Some of them are again saying neither nor, neither or, neither or. Some is saying either or wrong hoga. Okay, either or is wrong. Okay, let's see this. H is greater or equal to K. चलिए, एक चीज तो क्लियर है कि H और K के बारे में कुछ भी नहीं पता. We don't know anything between H and K. What is the exact relation? What is the clear relation? And in one conclusion, we are getting our opinion greater or equal, and from another one we are getting a smaller. तो एक चीज़ तो क्लियर है कि इनके बीच में रिलेशन का पता नहीं है, और कंक्लूजन में हमें स्मॉलर, ग्रेटर, इक्वल तीनों बातें मिल रही हैं. हमें रिलेशन का पता नहीं है और हमें कंक्लूजन में तीनों बातें मिल रही हैं. नाउ डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज दैट द एलिमेंट इज गेटिंग चेंज्ड. जस्ट नाउ आई टोल्ड यू, आपको इस स्टेटमेंट में जब भी इक्वल मिला जाएगा, आप वहाँ पे ऑब्लिक का साइन लगा देंगे. ऑब्लिक का साइन लगाने का मतलब चाहे K लिखो चाहे L लिखो, दोनों ही बातों में कोई भी फर्क नहीं है. तो यहाँ पे K लिखा गया, यहाँ पे L. अगेन L सपोज करिए या K सपोज करिए, K सपोज करिए या L सपोज करिए, कोई भी फर्क नहीं पड़ता माय डियर फ्रेंड्स. सो दिस वन इज ऑल्सो द सिचुएशन ऑफ either or. Many of them are saying that either or होगा. Okay, correct. This is the situation of either or. Don't get confused ever. अब क्योंकि आपको बुकिश लैंग्वेज में लिखा होता है that the element has to be the same. Element should be the same. But right now in our question, elements are not same, but then also it is either or. See, you can't mug up the reasoning. You have to grab the logic. आप रीजनिंग को रट नहीं सकते हैं, आपको लॉजिक को ग्रैब करना पड़ेगा, लॉजिक को पकड़ना पड़ेगा. I hope this much is clear. So let's move on to the another set of conclusion, and my next set is saying, first one we are having, okay, let's change the statement only. Right now I am going to change my statement in itself. We have dealt lots of conclusion with the same statement. Now I want to change my statement. Let's change the statement, and I am providing you a fresh statement. My statement says A is not equal to B. Further it is saying B is not equal to C. Only this much. These are my statements. A is not equal to B, and further it is saying that B is not equal to C. I hope the statement is clear to everyone. Okay. So my first conclusion says A is greater or equal to C. And my second conclusion is saying A is smaller to C. Now this is a little bit a catchy question. I need your comments. I need your answer for this question. That what is your opinion for this question? Comment it fast. So what is your answer for this one? Here it is saying greater equal and here it is saying smaller to C. But the relation between A and C is this: A is not equal to B and B is not equal to C. My first conclusion is saying A is greater or equal to C, and the second one is saying A is smaller to C. Okay, some of them are saying it's either or. It is neither nor. Okay, either or. Definitely it is either or. Someone is commenting definitely it is either or. Okay, let's move on. My first statement is saying A is not equal to B and B is not equal to C. Then one thing is for sure, that we are not sure about the relation between A and C. We are totally unaware about the exact relation between A and C, and that was exactly our funda for applying either or. We don't know the exact relation between A and C. When we don't know the relation between A and C, and in our set of conclusion, I am getting all the three symbols. First one is saying greater is or equal, and the second one is saying is smaller than C. So my dear friends, what would be the answer? Either or 100%. Either or. I'm getting lots of either or answer. Yes, my dear friends, this one is also either or. Our answer will, in this context, will be either first or second follows. Many of you are answering correct. I'm too glad to see your correct answers. Okay. Acha, someone is saying only second follows. No, not only second. It is a situation of either or. Just in the starting of the session, I told you, when there is no relation between two elements and we are getting all the three symbols in the conclusion, then definitely we will provide either or between them. And right now we are not having an exact relation between A and C. क्योंकि हमें A और C के बीच में exact relation का पता नहीं है और हमें conclusion में तीनों बातें दी गई हैं, इसलिए हम यहाँ पे either or लगाएंगे. I am giving you one more set of conclusion, and my next set is saying A is greater or equal to D. It is saying A is greater or equal to D, and third one is saying A is smaller to D. First one is saying A is greater or equal to D, and fourth one is saying A is smaller to D. So what is your answer for this third and fourth set? Either or. Someone is saying neither nor. Acha, someone is saying very confusing questions, ma'am. Okay, don't get confused. Just draw your opinion. I am here to rectify your confusion. आपका जो भी confusion आ रहा है, just say it. I am here to eliminate your confusion. आप सिर्फ अपने thoughts express करिए. That's why only we are here discussing it. We are having a new element, and that element is D. Actually, this D is not present in our statement. ये जो D है, ये हमारे statement में मौजूद है ही नहीं, और conclusion में all of sudden हमें कहीं से D दे दिया गया. और first conclusion कह रहा है A is greater or equal to D. Second कह रहा है A is smaller to D. Okay, someone is saying, ma'am, it is either or. दोनों wrong होगा. Someone is saying either or. Okay, someone is providing lots of crowns there. Okay, fine. Give your answers. Don't provide icons. I need your answers. Okay, so I am getting lots of answers in the favor of either or. Let's see that. I'm just discussing this question because I got this query in the mail or in the comment box of my videos. Whatever I am discussing here, these all questions I just got in the comment box or in my mails. Students are a bit confused about this, so I am discussing it here. Okay? So now, just be confident. अगर आपको कोई unknown element, unexpected element ऐसा मिल गया जो statement में मौजूद नहीं भी था, which was not even present in the statement, उससे हमारे opinion पे कोई भी फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. हमारे thoughts में कोई भी फर्क नहीं आएगा. A और D statement में मौजूद, जब D मौजूद ही नहीं है, then it is but obvious कि A और D के बीच का relation क्या है? What is the exact relation between A and D? When we are not having D in the statement, then it is quite confident thing, quite sure thing that we are not sure about the relation between A and D. and when we are not sure about the relation between A and D and we are getting all the three symbols in the sequence, greater, equal, smaller, then definitely here also I will say that it is either or situation. इससे कोई भी फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि वो एलिमेंट स्टेटमेंट में मौजूद नहीं है, तो इसलिए आप कह देंगे कि ये नाइदर नॉर है क्योंकि वो स्टेटमेंट में ही मौजूद नहीं है. सी नाउ डोंट अप्लाई योर मैथमेटिकल इनइक्वालिटी. मैथमेटिकल इनइक्वालिटी एंड रीजनिंग इनइक्वालिटी बोथ आर डिफरेंट थिंग्स माय डियर फ्रेंड. डोंट गेट मिक्स देम अप. मैथमेटिकली अगर आपसे कहा जाता है 3 इज ग्रेटर देन 2, देन दिस इज द यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ. यू डोंट नीड एनी लॉजिक, बट इन आवर रीजनिंग they can provide you something like this also. 3 is smaller than 2. Why? क्योंकि हमारी रीजनिंग में इस 3 और 2 का कोई भी अस्तित्व नहीं होता है. These are just like the dead elements. These are just acting as a variables, as an element. We don't know the exact value of this 3 or 2. We are totally unaware whether 3 is greater or 2 is greater. I hope this much is clear. So right now also we are having an answer of either or in this circumstances also. So my dear friends, today I discussed with you all the either or situations in our inequality. Basically various either or situations, whatever I can create or whatever I got in my comment box. Okay. Later on we will deal with such inequalities also in which statements are in various parts and we have to collect all the statements and provide them in a sequence. And that also sometimes they give you such an inequality जिसमें आपको स्टेटमेंट भी पार्ट्स में दिया जाएगा, सेकेंडली आपको कोडेड करके दिया जाएगा. डोंट गेट वरीड, वी कैन सॉर्ट इट आउट दिस प्रॉब्लम ऑल्सो वेरी सून. सो दैट्स ऑल अस फॉर टुडे. थैंक यू.